வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா, செப்டம்பர் மந்தோட பார்ட் 1 கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், which country has successfully tested the hybrid motor for new propulsion system used in launch vehicles? ஸோ இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ISRO, that is India. Which is the headquarters of the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, that is IIA. So it's an autonomous research institute. It is by the Department of Science and Technology. So its headquarters is in Bengaluru. So answer is Bengaluru. Ekambaranatha temple of Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu was built by. So it was built during Vijayanagar dynasty. During Vijayanagar, so answer is Vijayanagar. Tamil Nadu does not share its border with which of the following states? So the answer is it's Telangana. So its borders are Andhra Pradesh to north, Karnataka to northwest, Bay of Bengal and Puducherry to east, Indian Ocean to south, and Kerala to west. Mahatma Gandhi community colleges have been opened in Tamil Nadu in which among the following? So it's for the prisons for vocational training of prisoners. Which among the following rivers originates in Chembrabakam Lake in Tamil Nadu? So it's Kuvam and Adayar River. Who among the following was the first Indian to sit as a judge of Madras High Court? So it was T. Muthuswami Iyer. Pankaj Advani, who was seen in the news, is a personality associated with which sports? She was associated with billiards. Which state is the host of Khelo India National University Games in 2023-24? So it was Uttar Pradesh. Toofan and Toofani, which were released recently, are the mascots of which team or initiative? So it's Fit India School Week Initiative. மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு 9842297768 நம்பருக்கு கால் பண்ணுங்க. inspireacadamii@gmail.com மெயில் கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ வந்து லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.